Welcome back to Instables. It looks like NAOV has been consolidating throughout the week after we had a major breakout going to extended hours last Friday. Again, we had a 250% breakout alert that we did mention in the Instables room. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue going to next week and exactly where you guys can find these breakouts so you guys do not miss out on them again. And the only thing I ask in return for all of this is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump right into this one. So a lot of people have been asking about NAOV, and I wanted to make sure we did deliver this video very properly so that way you can see exactly what has to happen for us to break out going to next week. But I do want to mention before we do get started that we did alert this one last week after hours on Friday. We had a 250% breakout with NAOV. So if you guys want to check out all these breakouts before they happen, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert that again. We also did mention all of the mass stocks that did break out today, as you guys can see here. So NAOV, as you guys can see, we have been consolidating ever since we did have that breakout after hours on Friday. We're going to see if we can consolidate and have another major breakout. As you guys can see here, we have been crossing with a 20 MA above the 50, crossing back down, crossing back up, overall consolidating. Even though we have been getting a lot of volume and we did have confirmation on a nice breakout, we have not been holding over our 250 mark that we have been looking for. And in my opinion, that's 318 mark is very key for us to break above. And I'm going to go over exactly what that looks like. So you guys can see, again, we do have volume that has been coming in. And as you guys can see here on the MACD that we have been pretty flat on buy pressure and we have been pretty flat on sell pressure. We're going to see if we can make a decision here to possibly move up. And in my opinion, breaking above these previous buy pressure points would be very key to have a possible continuation and a confirmation on that breakout. So I'm going to be setting an alert here right above these MACD points. So you guys can see if we do break above these MACD points, then we could have more momentum coming in on NAOV. And in my opinion, break above this $3.18 mark that we are looking for. So I'm going to back to the 4 hours so you guys can see exactly why these levels are very key. So you guys can see back in this stock, we have been consolidating previously. We had a continuation sell-off here at 275, and then breaking over 318 is very key for us. As you guys can see, we had multiple rejections exactly at this point previously. And also you guys can see here on the 15-minute that we have not broken with the body of the candle above this point. As you guys can see, we had a major breakout, but we did not break the body of the candle above this point. So we have the same thing happening on the 4 hour previously in this chart. So again, breaking over 318 with volume and with the MACD breaking above with buy pressure, in my opinion, would give us that momentum to possibly have that breakout. But I would be careful. Again, NAOV has been on quite the run, and they did have news last Friday, so we could have a continuation sell-off as we have been overall. Even though we have been consolidating, overall we have been on a sell-off because we have been creating lower lows. Even though we have been consolidating throughout the week, I definitely still would be careful. Make sure we do get a lot of momentum for this one to break out, as we had a ton of momentum on Friday going to extended hours. So again, a lot of momentum does need to come in for this one, but however, I do like the consolidation, and I do like how on the 4 hour we still are above the 20 MA. Bouncing off of it, looking to see if we can continue. But again, that very solid point that we are looking for here is at $3.18 with the body of the candle, with the MACD showing us that buy pressure on that confirmation is exactly what we would be looking for. But however, again, definitely be careful on this one. And again, if you guys want to see all these breakouts before they do happen, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert that again, and everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.